In this video, I will be showing you how the Contact Form 7 Docusign plugin for WordPress works. For the demo, we will be using the two signatures option. This method uses a signature request order, meaning that the admin will receive the signature request first. Once the admin has signed the document, it will then be sent onto the client to sign. This option can be turned on or off in the plugin backend, if you only require your client to sign the document. As you can see, I have my Docusign developer page open. I also have two email accounts open. One for the admin email account, and one for the client email account. So let's start with simply completing my Contact Form 7 form. I will now submit the completed form. The form has been successfully submitted. Now we can refresh our Docusign developer page. As you can see, we now have one request waiting in our Action Require tab. Now if we check the admin email account, you will see that the admin email account has received an email from Docusign requesting they sign a document. By clicking on the Review Document button, a Docusign page will be displayed. Here the user can read the document. As you can see, the document has been populated with the information we provided in the Contact Form 7 form. There will also be buttons which ask the user to sign. By clicking on the Sign button, the user will be presented with a sign overlay. The user can select what type of signature they want to provide. This can be either a text-based signature, a hand-drawn signature using the user's mouse, or the user can upload their signature. Once the user has confirmed their signature, it is then added to the document. Once the user is happy with everything, they can then click on the Finish button. This document will now be submitted to the Docusign network. Now that the admin has signed the document, it will now be sent onto the client for them to add their signature. If we check the client's email account, you will see that the client has now received an email requesting them to sign a document. By clicking on the Review Document button, the client will be presented with a Docusign page. Just like the admin, the information on the page is from the Contact Form 7 data we submitted. You will also notice that the admin's signature is also added to this document. By clicking on the Sign button, the client can now add their signature. Here the client can choose which type of signature they would like to use. Once the client is happy, they can then click on the Finish button. This document, with its new signature, will now be saved to the Docusign network. Now that both the admin and the client have signed the document, both parties will receive an email confirming that the document has been completed. Checking the admin's email account, we can now view the completed document with both the admin and the client's signatures. By refreshing our Docusign developer page, you will now see that our document that required action has now been completed.